The thing about Oslo is that there's so much progress all the time. And when you combine that with a closeness to nature, it's the perfect place to run a restaurant.
Hi, my name is Esben Holmboe Bang. I have a small restaurant called Maemo. Watch out for the salt in that sauce. And I would like to take you on a little trip and show you my Oslo.
I usually start every day with a coffee in one of the many cafes on my way to work. I really can't function without a coffee in the morning. Then it's off to gather whatever we need for today's menu. Luckily, we live in a city that is so close to nature that we can have a relationship with our produce. We can find it and feel it with our own hands.
And we are getting nettles. If you're gonna come to Oslo and pick nettles, bring gloves. Hey, yeah, just the nettle business. How much do we need? The thing about Norwegian ingredients is that we don't have lemons here, but we do have ants, which has a lot of the same qualities. It's just they're a bit more aggressive than lemons. They just sat down. Hi! Hey! Is that roses over there?
Those are roses, yeah.
Let's get some of that.
Yeah.
So we have actually a strawberry dessert right now where we do grilled rose petals. Super good.
We're grilling these.
We're grilling each petal.
Getting 3 Michelin stars is something I never even dared to dream about. And I don't think it's quite sunken in yet. But in the end, what's most important is just to make some great food and make our guests really happy. The overall theme of the restaurant is all about Norwegian ingredients and culture. So it's important for me to give my foreign employees a sense of that. For instance, at the Viking Museum.
And what is really unique here is that you can actually get so close to real pieces of history that's over 1,000 years old.
Even though I really love my job, I also love my personal life here in Oslo. There's always something happening, like new exciting restaurants and bars opening.
So we try these ourselves and then grind them.
Or music festivals like the Oya Festival. I moved here 14 years ago because I was in love with a Norwegian girl. But after a while, I also fell in love with the city. And if you come visit us, even just for the weekend, I'm sure you will too.